You're just outside Tampa, but once you turn in here, it feels like old Florida camping with a natural spring that stays 72 degrees year-round. We're Dave and Karen from Watts on Wheels. We roll, we camp, and yeah, we play. As we come into Lithia Springs Conservation Park, you can see right away how wooded this park is. The entrance roads are paved, but they're narrow in spots, so take it slow, especially if you're a larger RV. Most of the sites are surrounded by trees, which gives you privacy and shade, but it also means satellite users may have some challenges depending on the site. Lithia Springs Conservation Park is a 160-acre park located along the Lithia River in eastern Hillsborough County. It's best known for its natural spring, which flows clean, cool water into the river year-round. Despite being relatively close to Tampa, Lithia Springs still feels very much like old Florida. It's heavily wooded, intentionally preserved, and focused on natural recreation rather than commercial development. Lithia Springs Conservation Park has a total of 45 campsites, with 2 of those serving as host sites. Most of the sites are suitable for RVs, but there are also options for trailers and tents.
Yeah, this might be a little tricky here. Don't turn too soon because you got a fence on your right side. I don't know if you can see it or not. You're good on the passenger.
Get up here in the front. Tell me where I'm headed.
You can't get any further over. That's it. Good. You're good. Plenty good. Keep going, keep going. 3, 2, 1, stop.
All campsites offer electric and water service. Every site has 30 amp power, and 15 of the sites also offer 50 amp service. There are no sewer hookups at the sites, so you'll want to plan accordingly and use their dump station. Site lengths vary quite a bit. Some sites are as short as about 14 feet, while others can accommodate rigs over 100 feet long. The sites are fairly wooded, which provides shade and privacy, but it can also make maneuvering a little tighter for larger rigs. Campers have access to restrooms, showers, picnic shelters and tables, and fire pits. Camping here is very affordable, especially compared to private parks in the Tampa area. The regular camping rate is $24 per night. If your party includes an adult who is 55 years or older, the rate drops to $18 per night. Lithia Springs is famous for its natural spring that maintains a constant temperature of around 72 degrees all year long. That means it feels refreshingly cool in the summer and surprisingly comfortable in the winter. Swimming is extremely popular here, so the park uses a time entry system to manage capacity and protect the natural environment. There is a maximum capacity of 200 swimmers per time slot. Swim bands are only sold to guests who are physically present at the park, and they can only be purchased for one time slot per day. Pets and service animals are not permitted inside the spring area. As we drive through the loops, you'll notice that the campground is fairly spread out, with a mix of RV, trailer, and tent sites. The wooded setting gives most sites a nice buffer of privacy. The bathhouses are centrally located and convenient to the camping areas. For families, there's a playground area with benches and picnic tables nearby. You'll also find walking and hiking trails that wind through the wooded area, the river cypress swamps, and hardwood hammocks. One thing to note, because the park is so wooded, we were not able to get any drone footage here, but we think the ground level views still give you a good feel for the park. One thing to know about the dump station is it's on its own street. There's no pull through. You just drive down the road, stop and dump by the bathhouse, then pull forward a little more to get potable water before exiting. However, since all the roads are one way, you'll have to loop around the park to get in and back out. Camping reservations for Lithia Springs Conservation Park are handled through Hillsborough County's park reservation system, and you can choose the site you want in advance. One of the nice things about staying at Lithia Springs is how close you are to Tampa and surrounding areas. During our stay, we visited several spots that are worth mentioning. First, we went to the Hillsborough County Fairgrounds for the Tampa Bay Christmas Light Show. This was a drive-through light display and made for a really fun evening outing. It's a great seasonal attraction if you're visiting during the holidays.
We are headed to the Riverwalk down in Tampa, and we got the top off of Zippy too.
Karen's going topless today.
That's right.
We also spent time in Tampa visiting Armature Works, which is a popular food hall and gathering spot. There are lots of food options, great views of the river, and it's an easy place to spend a couple of hours walking around. While we were in that area, we checked out Sparkman Wharf along the Tampa Riverwalk. This is another great spot for food, drinks, and people watching, especially if you're exploring downtown Tampa. And they had the best chocolate ice cream we have ever eaten. For dining, we stopped at Truly Greek Restaurant, which is a local favorite and definitely worth a visit if you enjoy Greek food. And for breakfast or brunch, we went to the Brunchery, which is well known in the area and lives up to the hype. For everyday needs, you're also close to grocery stores, gas stations, and shopping in the Lithia and Brandon areas. There are multiple Walmart locations within about 20 to 30 minute drive. Overall, Lithia Springs makes a solid base camp if you want access to Tampa attractions without staying in an urban campground. Now it's time for our report card, which is just our opinion based on our stay. Thanks for rolling with What's on Wheels. Want to help our channel grow? Hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and click that bell, or we'll come Jeep chasing ya. Hey, and leave us a comment. Even a quick hello makes our day. So roll, camp, play, and maybe fix something, and have a beer.